Hi, to add fingerprint unlock on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, as a first step find and open settings on the phone, and here choose this tab biometrics and password. After that, go in fingerprint ID, but as you can see we need to set a lock screen PIN code first. You can change unlock method if you tap this option and select something else, for example pattern. Now I will draw my pattern and redraw and confirm. And now we can add fingerprint. So let's tap new fingerprint. And as you can see, we need to press firmly on the fingerprint sensor zone. So let's choose to add one. Tap OK. And now place finger on the scanner like that. Press and lift when you feel vibration and repeat till the scanner would be completed with lines. So also we need to adjust fingerprint position and to make sure finger is clean. And now we need to enroll fingerprint edges. So just do that as well. And be patient, we are almost done. And now one fingerprint is added, so we can tap OK or we can rename it, but I'm gonna save it like that. And now we can also choose for what we wanna use fingerprint. For unlocking device, for access safe, for app lock. And also we can autofill usernames and passwords. And after that we can set fingerprint animation, so let's try this out. We got this list of options from which I want to choose this one. Or we can just look for something else. No, I prefer this first one. So let's tap the check mark to save changes. And now let's test it. I'm gonna unlock my phone, put my finger on the scanner, and here it is, animation, and device unlocks easily. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.